I'm Katie. I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm also a makeup enthusiast. I love makeup, I love skincare, I love hair, I love all beauty related things. It's, something I'm into, passion of mine. And every year I get the Beautylish Lucky Bag, Lucky Box, whatever you want to call it. And guess what came today? Woohoo! I'm excited. I'm very excited. It came today, so I had to sit down and film a video because I don't want to be outside anyway. It's freezing cold outside. It's winter here in Washington, and I'm cold and I want to sleep. It's been a long week, but I had to film it because I need to see what's inside, and I wanted to share it with all of you. So here we go. We're going to open it. I did pre-cut it so that you didn't have to listen to me, but this is what we're doing. Ooh, cute! So every year they do a theme with their graphics. They have an artist that does it, and this is the graphic for this year. Let's see what the little tag says. It's like opening a present. I love it. That's super cute with the little dragon, and it's the year of the dragon, so the little dragon. Isn't that cute? Okay, the dragons on this year's lucky bag symbolize good luck and fortune along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power in 2024. Love it. That's fabulous. So Beautylish is a beauty supply company. They sell all kinds of different makeup and hair products, skincare, things like that. And at the end of the year, so the end of December, week after Christmas, a few days after Christmas, before the end of the year, but that last week of the year is when they sell these boxes. And they sell out pretty quickly, but they do have a sign up that you can get on to get notified when they are going up for sale. So if that's something that interests you, you should sign up, right? So these are mystery boxes, basically. This is some packing material here. Yeah, sorry for the noise. There it goes. If it's something that interests you and you're interested in the products that they carry, then it's a whole lot of fun to get to try new things and maybe get some things that you really, really wanted. So here we go. We're opening and looking inside, and everything is in this bubble wrap. So I'm going to set this box aside so it's out of my way. Ooh, this is exciting. Here we go. Sorry for the noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have, they do offer different mystery boxes, right? Like you tell them your skin tone. You can do just like the basic, what is it, $75 one, or you can upgrade to a bigger one, or they have one that's specific to, who is it, Jeffree Star, and this year they added one for Wayne Goss, which was kind of cool. Let's see, the first product that we have is the Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. This is a good product. I've tried it before. I like it. So I'm happy to have this in a nice full size, so that it's 6.7 ounces, 200 ml. Because, who doesn't need a good facial cleanser? I do. For sure. Next product. Ooh! I'm excited. This is Auric, Samantha Ravindal's brand. Isn't that pretty packaging? It's so gorgeous. I'd forgotten that Beautylish started carrying her stuff. This is a Smoke Reflect. It's the eyeshadow, and this is in Temper. So this is the one. It's got a cream on the bottom. It's such pretty packaging, I should show you. So I opened the box, of course. You saw the box. So this is the packaging. It's a pot, it's a cream eyeshadow, and a topper on the top in the lid. So it's one compact thing, which is really nice for, travel or just quick, keeping it in in your bag for when you have to do quick things. This is the color, isn't that pretty? So the name of this one is Temper. Really pretty color. And I do have this one, but it is a few years old, so I'm happy to have another, or I may see if I have a friend that would be interested in it. There we go, now you can see. Sorry, I was looking at my monitor to see when you could see the topper. It's like a glittery topper, super pretty. Yay, I'm excited about that one. And we have a brush that I just threw across the room. Hold please.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I picked it up. This is a Sonia G brush. Ooh, this is nice. I want to put my glasses on so I can see it. Very nice. Look at that. It's a nice eyeshadow brush. Good for packing. Eyeshadow on, nice and fluffy. Good. Oh, she makes such beautiful brushes. They're made in Japan. Love it. So yes. Yay! Yay for brushes! I love brushes. Let me take my glasses off. Sorry for the glare on the glasses from the lights while I had those on. Let's see what's this. We have from RMS Beauty Lip Lights in the color Rhapsody. I am not familiar with this one, so let's see what it is. Lip Lights. This is the tube. Glide onto lips, wear alone or over any RMS Beauty lip product for a natural gloss finish. Interesting. Looks like it's just like a gloss. Okay, where's my, oh, I'm not going to do that right now. I'll try it on later. But I really want to try it now, but I'm not going to. But I really want to try it. I'm looking forward to that. Okay. Then we have Wayne Goss, the Essential Lip Pencil. I love his product. So happy about this one. This one is in light nude. So light nude. Let's see what's in it. This is the color. So a nice, very light nude. Wow, that's a light nude. Let's swatch it on my hand here. That's the color right there. Kind of like it. I don't know if it'll work on me though, but I do like it. It may be a good one for my kid. We'll see. Then we have a fancy blue box. Augustinus Bader, the hair oil. I do not know this one at all, but that's exciting. A hair product, a hair oil. Do some research on that one and find out what that one is. Cool. The hair oil with, why am I trying to read it without my glasses on? I don't know. The hair oil with TFC8 hydrating hair oil. So it's, yeah, inspired by over 30 years of scientific innovation, the hair oil is a lightweight elixir formulated to help reduce breakage and rebuild healthy, lustrous strands from the inside out. This nourishing formula combines our proprietary TFC8, a blend of amino acids, high-grade vitamins, and synthesized molecules that provide key nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles to support the body's innate renewal process with restorative argan oil. So cool! It's a hair oil, seals in moisture, provides shine. I do like hair oils. I just have to be careful with them at the moment because I have extensions in my hair, and my hair is very fine and delicate because it's growing out, right? Just lots of reasons why it's fine and delicate. But anyways, I have to be careful because it will just make the extensions just slide right off of my hair. But I can use it on the ends, which is good for the ends of the extensions. So, yay! Excited to try that one. Last thing in here, we have a palette of some kind. What is this one? What is this one? I can't read it through the packaging. Let's get it open. It is Wingos. Yay! The luxury eye palette in Imperial Topaz. I have a couple of his eye palettes. I wonder if this is one that I already have. I hope not, but I really... Let's see if I can get the box open here. There we go. Open it up. Wingos. Isn't his packaging nice? It's nice and luxe, heavy, good weight. Imperial Topaz. Ooh, yes. This is a good one. I do have this one. But you know what? It's my personal palette to use. And I have some shadows that I need to replace in my pro kit. So I could totally use this on clients. This is a great one for that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty colors. And the formula is fantastic. I love it. So yay! That was what I got. Let's go over real quick. We have the Wayne Goss eyeshadow palette. We have the RMS Beauty lip lights. That's what that's called. We have the Wayne Goss lip pencil. We have the Sonia G brush, and this is called the Builder brush. That's the name of this one, by the way, in case you're wondering. And then we have the Auric Smoke Reflect in Temper. We have the Good Molecules cleanser, and we have the Augustinus Bader hair oil. Yay! So I will be right back. I'm going to look up the prices of all these so that I can tell you the price of my box and its value. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, I am back. I have a total for you all. Ready? So I paid $75 for my Lucky Bag, I think it was $75. I bought the smaller one. It was $75. So, the first item we have on the list is the Wayne Goss Luxury Eye Palette in Imperial Topaz, $55. We have the RMS Beauty Lip Lights Cream, $28. We're over what I spent already. So the Wayne Goss lip pencil is $14. The eye brush, the Sonia G eye builder, is $26. The Auric Smoke Reflect is $40. The Good Molecules cleanser is $12. And the hair oil, $54. So the total for my my bag before tax or anything is $229.25. So yes, I would say that I got my money's worth. If you're someone that likes mystery bags, likes to try new things, likes to, you know, roll the dice and see what you get, and has fun with this kind of thing, I definitely recommend it. It's the best mystery bag that I've tried so far. I really like it, and you know, they carry all of these products all the time. So if you find something that you really love in your Lucky Bag, then you can repurchase the product, right? So I do have some duplicates of things that I already own. So I did check. I do already have the Auric Smoke Reflect, so I'll decide whether I want to try and use that on clients, or if I want to pass it on to a friend, or what do I want to do with it. So pretty packaging, I love it. Okay, and I already have the Wayne Goss Imperial Topaz eye palette in my personal collection, but it would be a good addition to my kit. I think that this would be a good addition to my professional kit. And the rest of these I'm excited to have and try and use and see how they work for me. And so I would say that this was a good bag bag for me. I've had some more exciting things in the past, but it was a good one. Definitely worth the value. I will get value out of it. I could see that, you know, part of the gamble in these mystery bags is getting something that you already own, like the things that I already have. And I could see being a little disappointed in that, you know, oh, I already have this one, what am I going to do with another one kind of thing. But I will get use out of it. So it works for me. Anyways, Beautylish.com is where I got this. It comes out the end of the year. It only happens once a year. It's for the new year. It sends out, you know, like the second week of January. You know, I just got mine today. It shipped out yesterday, so it gets to people pretty fast. And yeah, this was a good one. I hope that you enjoyed, and stay tuned to my channel. Hit subscribe for my next video coming up. I'm going to be showing you something about eyelashes, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.